Good morning. I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do some hot wings, and I know there's a lot of people out there that does hot wings, and you just have to do something that you like yourself, and I really like this. I ran into this hot sauce. It's called Texas Pete, and it's great flavor. I went over and had hot wings at a professional place that just sold hot wings, and they served the vegetables to dip in it, and it was so good. I bought some of it from them and brought home, and I've been looking for that taste. I ran across this Texas Pete, and it has that taste that they have in that professional wing place. So one time, I'll tell you a little story about Hooters. First time I ever heard of them. I had a friend over here that worked at the Farmers Co-op, and this is a way back when nobody had ever heard of Hooters hardly, probably the first one ever built in Memphis, Tennessee. And I had to go after a computer part. So I knew he knew a lot about Memphis, so I asked him, I said, do you know if I go out East Memphis to get this computer part, I'm picking up my sister for lunch, and do you know if there's a good place for us to eat out there? He said, oh yeah. He said, there's a place out there that really is a good place, and it's called Hooters. Well, I didn't know any better. So I went by and picked up my sister, and here we two old church ladies, going. We saw a big sign, so we went in, and we looked around and saw those girls in those almost naked. My sister looked at me and she said, I think we're in the wrong place. I said, I know what happened. That friend of mine in parking played a trick on me. And now every time I see Hooters, I think about that. I came back and got onto it. I said, I can't believe you did that. And he just laughed. He thought it was so funny. First of all, we have about a dozen wings here, and I have washed them, and I've dried them real good with a paper towel. And I'm going to put a little salt and pepper on them. I have made these with it before, and it seemed like it's better if you salt and pepper them a little bit. Now, I've got in the frying pan, I've got it heated up to 350 degrees. So now, we're going to take our Hooters. I'm going to put some of this Hooters coating on here. And then we're going to start putting our wings in it and shake them up where we can coat them real good. Now, I cook the whole wing. You can do any part of the wing you want to. I think we can cook about 6 at a time. Talking about cooking a whole wing, my favorite part is the middle part. It's all right. And what we're going to do is just shake this up real good. Be sure you got it coated good. Now we're ready to drop them in the deep fryer. We've got peanut oil in this, and we got it heated at 350 degrees. If you want to test them, you need to get them about, I'd say 160. We'll probably have about 2 cookings. I went over to eat at one of the, I was hurrying home, and I thought, well, I'll run by and pick me up a chicken wing. I love chicken wings. They wanted over $2 a piece for that wing. And so I thought, well, next time I'm going down to the grocery store and buy me some wings. It's kind of like I quit frying chicken when all these chicken places went in business, because you can't hardly compete against them. But now they're so high. But anyway, I went down and bought some wings. I gave 50 cents a piece for them. And that's how much you can save if you want to fry your own. I think our chicken wings are ready. Now, it takes about 20 minutes for these to cook. This is not the right basket for this, but I think it's okay. Now our chicken wings have finished. They had to cook about 20 minutes. You can be your own judge, probably according to the size of the wing, how long you have to cook it. We have this Texas Pete sauce, and it says buffalo wing sauce on it. We're going to just pour that over it. Now, you people that don't like spicy wings, just don't put this on it. And the Hooters coating we put on it does not have a lot of spice in it. And so I think you'll like that if you don't like spicy food. Now, I put a little dip in the middle, and you can eat carrots and celery, and it's really good. I hope you try this, and I hope I see you on another video. Thank you for watching.